Don't you dare! These are my balls! I'll just borrow them. Give it back! Leave me! Let me in! You need help?
Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how I went from this to this in a couple of hours.
I've always wanted to learn juggling, but there was always something more important to do. However, this time I decided to take the balls into my own hands. We start learning with one ball. We shift it from hand to hand, trying to ensure that the trajectory of its flight is similar each time. Bend your knees a little, keep your hands close to your body and throw the ball approximately at eye level. This is to teach us the correct movement before we decide to make our lives even more difficult. It seems simple to me, but there were also minor mistakes. After some time, I added the second ball, but this time my intuition did not help and I had to check the technique on YouTube. It turned out that this time we throw the second ball when the first one is in the air at the highest point. The transfer itself was not the problem, but the biggest enemy turned out to be repeatability. Or rather the lack of it. The learning process progressed fairly quickly, though at times I had to bend over backwards. And finally it's time for 3 balls. The first attempts turned out to be surprisingly good, but a moment later it was very difficult to me to repeat it. But I think
That was so good.
after another several dozen minutes I could juggle longer, which gave me a lot of satisfaction.
Jazda. Najważniejsze to złapać ten rytm.
But the final test is still ahead of me. I decided that the challenge will be passed if I throw the balls 30 times in a row. And guess what? And I made it! And I made it! Balls weren't a problem for me anymore, so I decided to check if I really had balls. Ha! Funny! 2 words have the same meaning. Well done, Robert, well done.
Thank you for your time, friends. For now, there are a few of us, but someday they will be thousands. See ya.